Imagine holding the future in the palm of one hand. For years, the tech world has whispered about the perfect device. Not the massive, cumbersome Pro tablets that try too hard to be laptops, and not the smartphones that feel just a little too cramped for real creativity. We've been waiting for the Goldilocks zone of technology. And today, the wait is over. This is the story of the iPad mini M5, the most powerful small form factor computer ever conceived by human engineering. If you think this is just another incremental update, you haven't been paying attention to what's happening deep inside Apple's Silicon Labs. We are talking about a leap so significant that it redefines what we consider portable power. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we are going to peel back the layers of this engineering marvel. We aren't just looking at specs, we're looking at a paradigm shift. We're going to explore why the M5 chip changes everything, the secret behind the new display technology that solves years of user complaints, and why this specific device might just make your MacBook and your iPhone Pro Max feel obsolete. The iPad mini has always been the rebel of the Apple lineup. It doesn't follow the yearly release cycle. It waits. It matures. And when it finally arrives, it strikes with precision. But why now? Why did Apple decide to skip the M3 and M4 cycles for the mini and jump straight into the heart of the M5 era? The answer lies in a single word: intelligence. Not just the artificial kind, but the seamless integration of raw power and human intuition. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the M5 silicon. To understand the M5, you have to understand the thermal challenge of a small chassis. Usually, power means heat. Heat means throttling. But with the 2-nanometer process used in the M5, Apple has achieved the impossible. They have packed the power of a desktop workstation into a frame that weighs less than a can of soda. When you boot up this device, you aren't just opening an iPad. You are igniting a supercomputer. Think about the workflow of a professional today. You're at a coffee shop in San Francisco, or maybe you're commuting on the subway in New York. You need to edit 8K ProRes video, or perhaps you're a developer compiling complex code on the fly. In the past, you needed a bag, a charger, and a desk. With the iPad mini M5, you need a pocket. That is the disruption we are witnessing. The M5's neural engine is 10 times faster than its predecessor, specifically tuned for the next generation of Apple intelligence. This isn't just about Siri being smarter. It's about the device anticipating your next move before you even make it. But power is nothing without a canvas. For years, the mini community had one major grievance: the display. We talked about jelly scrolling, we talked about brightness, we talked about refresh rates. Apple didn't just fix these issues, they obliterated them. The new Ultra Retina XDR display on the Mini M5 is a masterpiece of optics. By utilizing tandem OLED technology, the same tech found in the high-end Pro models, the blacks are infinite and the peaks of brightness are blinding. It's like looking through a window into another dimension. Whether you are color grading a film or reading a digital novel under the midday sun, the clarity is breathtaking. Now, let's talk about the why. Why are people choosing this